Right, so it appears that I cannot connect at this stage. Oh, and it loves to die. Stage 4, connect the RC and mobile device, and it's not giving me link with the aircraft. It's not giving me that. Everything is on, but it's not linking. I heard that Android did have problems, so I guess I need to stick with just my iPod. What is the deal with this though? Oops. Alright, what did that kitty catch? A squirrel? That's a little squirrel that was playing in the library lot. Wow. You got him, huh? This is groundhog territory in Lubbock, Texas. They don't let you get too close before they start running for their holes. They're all around here. Alright, Lubbock, Texas. This hawk went after some groundhogs. They denied him. In Lubbock, Texas, overlooking this nice park. A lot of groundhogs all around it. The water. Alright, Midland, Texas. Just want to get a capture of this family. They're begging for money. Where's the sign? Yeah, she's covering up the sign. What does that say? Help. Something help. And then their car is wherever that kid is walking. On the other side of the van. Alright, this is Langtry, Texas. If I had another drone battery, I would definitely like to fly out to those caves. Those are on the Mexican side of the Rio Grande. Oops. And yeah, they look pretty interesting. The whole area is like a big wall of, so caves can develop on the, and this is all on the Mexican side. There's not too much civilization near Langtry. Alright, there's an actual literal Roadrunner. Looks kind of neat. Alright, Del Rio. I can't quite see what he caught, but I saw him making this movement like he was trying to do a finishing touch on something. I have to look at a bigger screen. Is that a fish or a crab? He's just whacking away at it. Maybe that's to stun the fish. See, he has to swallow it whole. They don't tear him up. So again, this is Del Rio, Texas, and I'm watching like a kingfisher eat a fish. So violent. I think he's smacking the head. I think he's smacking the head against the rail. A violent end to that fish. here at the library in Carrizo Springs, Texas. And this is one of the freakiest things I've ever seen. This is entirely covered in like buzzards or vultures. The whole thing is covered in buzzards from top to bottom. It's crazy. Look at all those buzzards just hanging out. All on this tower. This is a very popular spot. All down the base. Even there's some over here too. This is black-faced buzzards. I really like this spot. Alright, this is the Rio Grande City. Oh, jeez. Let's go into the library. What's in the library? Alright, this is Brownsville, Texas, looking at these black birds. Alright, this is Kingston, and these black-headed vultures hop right on top of the city hall after a night of spending time on the towers. City Hall used to be a Corpus Christie, Lincoln Park, curlew. Standing on Jimenez. Alright, down from the museum you got these nice police helicopters. Check these things out. There's two of them. SAPD. Got quite a design. They don't even have a police design. San Antonio Police Department's at the end of this road with their two police helicopters. It's called Helicopter Detail. Blue Eagle. Helicopter Detail, Blue Eagle. And it's just down the road from the museum, which I checked out. I guess there's nothing else to really focus in on here. Just from a distance I can get this. SAPD, what's that? Oh yes, the symbol. That's pretty neat. Alright, I'm back on the Sony. They're taking off with the police helicopter. I guess it's maybe just more of a test than anything. So they must have some criminal they gotta watch. That's pretty cool. Heading off, I don't know, that's kind of where my car is parked, over Walmart. He's worried about me. Alright, 52 times. Zoom. Do your best. That's it, huh? I'm stopped. These two guys get out to check on a car. Oh, no? I thought they might have been turning around to come over to this library. So they go for a little walk, and they're in the apartment complex. Seems like a casual, leisurely call, I guess. Maybe a dog in the yard, in somebody's yard they don't want. So these guys get pulled over. They pull in right next to me. And they came from... They drove pretty good distance. I'm in Crowley Walmart.